This DVD will help students hear, pronounce and discriminate between different consonant sounds, recognise consonant sounds in words, and blend and segment words that contain them.
We're going on a sound hunt. Children, come with me. Are your ears all ready? Then 1, 2, 3. The sounds that we are hunting are p and t and k. They're popcorn sounds like puffs of air. Let's all make them now. Peg, pie, present, tent, tree, present, pie, pie, ball, b, bell, book, pot, present, tree, t, dog, d, tent. Guess what? Guess what words? Guess what words I'm saying? Guess what? Guess what words? That's the game that we are playing. These words have 3 sounds, and I am wondering whether you can hear each sound in each word and put that word together. T, r, e, tree, w, a, ch, watch. T, r, e, tree, t, r, e, cake, k, a, k. Kids are very clever, taking words apart. Have a try, here's the word, let's make a start. The word is pie. The first sound is p, then there's an I. Pie. T, I, b, p, I, pie, p, I, bow, I, o, b, o. W, a, ch. J, e,